Close your eyes for a second. Imagine standing at the edge of a race circuit at 3 a.m. The air smells of burned rubber and carbon fiber. Then out of the darkness, a machine screams past at over 340 kilometers per hour. You don't just hear it, you feel it in your chest, in your bones. That is not a dream. That is the 2027 Ducati GP27 Desmosedici 850. And today, the world finally sees it for the first time. Ducati didn't just update the GP7, they rebuilt the entire philosophy. Gone is the aggressive angular bodywork of its predecessor. The GP27 wears a completely redesigned aerodynamic shell, tighter, lower, meaner. A new twin-element front winglet system generates unprecedented downforce at speed, pressing the front wheel into the tarmac even through 200-kilometer corners. The fairing is sculpted from a single-piece dry carbon fiber mold, lighter and stiffer than anything Ducati has ever raced. The iconic Ducati red is deeper this year, closer to blood red, with matte black panels contrasting against polished aluminum subframe brackets. Every millimeter of this machine was shaped inside a wind tunnel. Nothing is decoration, everything is function. Now the heart of this beast. The GP27 runs on a completely re-architected 805cc Desmosedici V4 engine. You heard that right, 805cc. Ducati dropped displacement from the previous 1000cc unit, exploiting the incoming 2027 MotoGP regulations that reward efficiency and rev ceiling over raw displacement. The result, an engine that screams to an ear-splitting 18,500 Rem redline. Power output sits at an estimated 200 horsepower, channeled through a brand new seamless shift gearbox developed in collaboration with the factory's MotoGP electronics division. Torque delivery has been remapped across 6 riding modes, from qualifying attack to race conservation, all managed by Ducati's next-generation GP-TECS 3 system, which processes data from over 200 onboard sensors 1,000 times per second. The top speed? Engineers are not confirming exact figures, but insiders are whispering 302 kilometers per hour on long straights. The electronics package on the GP27 is so advanced, it almost feels like science fiction. The bike runs an inertial measurement unit capable of tracking lean, angle, pitch, and yaw 1,000 times per second. Traction control, wheelie control, cornering abs, launch control, and engine braking are all managed through a single unified eye-assisted ECU, a first for a Ducati factory prototype. Brake-by-wire arrives on both axles. The front Brembo carbon discs 340mm can bring the bike from 300 km to 0 in under 4 seconds. And the rider interface? A newly designed 7-inch curved TFT dash gives the rider real-time tire temperature, fuel strategy, gap to rival, and a live aero load indicator. This is not a motorcycle, this is a fighter jet that corners. Now the question everyone is asking, can you buy one? The GP27 Desmosedici is, for now, a factory-only prototype. It will be campaigned exclusively by Ducati's official MotoGP teams in the 2027 season. No public sale, no road legal version yet. However, Ducati's pattern with previous Desmosedici GP editions suggests a limited homologation replica could follow in 2029, likely priced between 80,000 and 100,000 euros, with production capped to under 200 units globally. For now, the only way to see this machine is on a racetrack, and that might be exactly how Ducati wants it. The 2007 Ducati GP27 Desmosedici 840 is not just a new race bike, it is a statement. A declaration that Ducati still leads the world in motorcycle engineering, not by following the rules, but by rewriting them. Whether it dominates the 2027 season remains to be seen, but one thing is already certain: when this machine fires up at turn 1, every other team on the grid will be watching. And so will the rest of the world. If this video hit your inner speed demon, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you take the 2029 replica version if Ducati made it road legal? Let's talk.